Whether you're working with in-house or outsourced manufacturing, monitoring and verifying critical geometry is key to ensuring consistency with your products. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 continues to simplify and automate QA operations. The standalone version of SOLIDWORKS Inspection have historically relied on 2D PDFs and image files to start the ballooning process. Now, on 2022, support for additional file type has been introduced, including NX and the much anticipated native SOLIDWORKS drawings. Here, you can start the project off by importing SOLIDWORKS drawing directly into the standalone application, and then extracting relevant information such as the part description, part number, and the current revision. The smart extraction method is used to gather dimensional and tolerance characteristics needed for this report. From the title block, an additional surface profile tolerance node is additionally ballooned and extracted with just a simple click. You see, SOLIDWORKS Inspection identifies the GD&T symbol, precision, and geometric tolerance indicators, which will all be carried downstream into your article or in-process reports. Continuing into the extraction process, hole callouts and geometric tolerance are ballooned and remapped to the project's bill of characteristics. Investigating Balloon 5, which is home to the multiple dimensional requirements, SOLIDWORKS Inspection automatically identifies each and is broken them into sub-balloons, as shown in the table. Repeating these simple steps for the required tolerance and dimensional callouts is a breeze. No manual data is required. But what if we wanted to better communicate this information from the 3D part itself? SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 has dramatically improved performance and support for the SOLIDWORKS part files, which can be directly added into the inspection project alongside the current 2D sheet. The extraction process is same in the 2D drawings, calling in and identifying the geometric tolerance and position information, but now balloon onto the 3D part. During the assembly of this bracket, a few critical welds along with some surface finish are also required to be inspected. Inspection 2022 now fully supports importing SOLIDWORKS assemblies, which ensures a proper fit, form, and function with all manufactured and assembled items. With the bill of characteristics created, this package can now be saved in the old associated 2D and 3D data without having the access of any drawn part or assembly inside the SOLIDWORKS CAD. The inspection report can be generated and include both 2D and 3D PDFs, along with all the necessary Excel documentation. SOLIDWORKS Inspection is also available directly inside SOLIDWORKS itself as an add-in. And new to SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022 is the full support for API. This highly requested enhancement helps to automate the creation, ballooning, modification, extraction, and exporting of first article or in-process inspection reports. With the all-new file type support for SOLIDWORKS drawings, parts, and assemblies, and increased automation in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2022, there has never been a better time to revisit your current quality assurance process.